Hello, I'm Mr. Loreline, and I am your son or daughter's Language Arts and Literature Honors 7 teacher this year. In this video, I'm going to go over the lessons from August 31st until September 4th. It's already been a great start to the year, and I am very excited to finally have the first week of school where everyone is present. So let's go over this week's lessons plans, and hopefully this will help you out knowing what your son or daughter will be working on. On Monday, we're going to go over the different types of sentences. That way, when we get into our first writing and I have to explain, hey, you need more complex sentences in your writing, the students know what I am talking about. We will also begin reading a short story and be doing some character analysis on Monday, August 31st, and then we'll continue reading that short story and actually finish up the character analysis for that short story on Tuesday. And that way we can have some practice together on character analysis before we get into one of my favorite novels of all time, The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien, which will be on Wednesday. Now, rounding up Tuesday, we will have some practice identifying simple, compound, and complex sentences, and then have a little fun quizzes at the very end on simple and compound sentences. On Wednesday, we'll actually watch a short little video made by Pixar that will have some character analysis with it before we start reading The Hobbit. And then we will have students actually begin their first writing where they're responding to text with complex sentences. And so that will be on Google Classroom. On Thursday, they are going to pick up the hyperdoc where we last left off on Wednesday and finish the practice and discussion portion of The Hobbit chapters 1 through 3 hyperdoc. Also, on Thursday, they're going to pick back up the little short write that they had on Wednesday, and we're going to be discussing those answers, making sure students have a full understanding of the different type of sentences and make sure that they are on the right track with their own writing. Now at the very end, after fixes, they'll turn it in, but if they don't finish in time, that will be for homework. On Friday, we're actually going to finish developing notes on step 1 in the practice and discussion portion, and they're going to share their answer in an organized and formal manner on Google Classroom. And then for fun, since we've been talking a lot about sentence types, the students are going to have an escape room where they are going to be answering questions on sentence room and try to escape by answering those questions. I hope this helps out. And again, I'm excited for this year, and I am excited to be your son or daughter's teacher this year. If you ever have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will be more than willing to help out.